Hi, I'm Phil, and this is my Flatiron Phase 5 final project called Service Tracker. Service Tracker is a CRM, or a client request manager, something I have a lot of experience with, and I wanted to see if I could make my own from scratch. So here's the login screen. I'll start by getting logged in, which will bring us to the home screen of the app. So as you can see, there's a list of queues, these darker headers, and the tickets within those queues below. I'm going to start by jumping into one of these tickets and show off what details there are there. So we've got a title, ticket ID, date, queues, tags, priority, description, and comments. Over here, we have the requester information and images in the ticket. So in queues and tags, you can see you can add a new queue. This will have it show up in the home screen like we were looking at before. So I'll add help desk, and I'll actually remove desktop and add in admin. And here's our brief description, and I'll show another example comment here. Sample test and submit, and that shows up first with the timestamp. I'll also show off adding an image. Select it here, open, and submit. And that shows up there. If you click, it makes it full screen. And you can also remove those. So go back to home here and show off making a new ticket. I'll throw it in our networking queue so we can see it alongside the last one. I'll name it test ticket something and create that. And there it is, right next to our other one. You can also go in and delete tickets whenever you like. Next, I'll show off searching for tickets. So when you search for a ticket, you can search by a user's username. So try client one. Those are all their requested tickets. You can also search by the ID number of a ticket. So 14, there we go. And you can search by name. So if I search more, one result there, more results for. Next, I'll go into our admin panel. This is where an admin can manage users' queues and tags. So if I want to add a new queue here called example, submit, that'll show up here in our list. I can also remove tags. So this test tag down here, remove that from the list. Now I'll move into our profile, which for an admin shows their assigned queues that show up in their home screen. You can edit the details like your username, email, and phone number. I'll make my username test user. You can see that updates here as well as over here. And I can change my password as well. So my current password, don't tell anyone, it's test. And I'll change it to test1. There we go. That should be updated. And while I'm at it, I will remove our AV services queue. Go back to home, and that should be reflected here. No more AV services. And lastly, I just want to show off the client view, which is a little different than the admin view. And log in here, you'll see these are only the tickets that I've requested as client one. And if I go into new ticket, select a queue, networking, client one, title, test, description, test, and create. That shows up right here in my requested tickets. Thanks.